stepping for the chapter introduction part. Now the heading is monotonicity of functions or increasing and decreasing functions. Okay, so I have drawn a small parabola on the whiteboard. Now basically monotonicity or increasing and decreasing functions, what these are. Okay, so we can just say monotonicity of a function fx is said to be monotonicity for the increasing function if the values of fx increases or decreases with the increase or decreasing in the value of x. Now for example, here this part we will be just discussing from this side and from here, from towards the origin. I will be going from this side towards the origin, from origin towards this side. Okay, so what the results we will be getting, let's check it now. As we move from left to right, as I am moving from left to right, from infinity, negative of infinity towards the origin, then what will be the estimated fall or rise in the graph? Let's check it now. As we move from left to right, the height of curve decreases. Okay, as we move from left to right, the height of the curve decreases. How? Now suppose we are having here one value is, let it be -2, and being a parabola, suppose this is for fx is equal to, we are having x square. Okay, so if it is -2, then result will be 4. If it is +2, result will be 4. Okay, so let it be for -2 we are getting 4, and for 2 we are getting again 4. One on this side and one on that side. -2, 4. Suppose we are having -2, 4, and this side is 2 to 4. Then we are having -1 to 1. Here we are having 1 to 1. Now as the value we are going towards the origin, here it is -2, then it is -1, then it is 0, the height of the graph is decreasing. This side, when the values are increasing, the height of the graph is also increasing. Okay, now as we move from left to right, the height of graph increases. Okay, simple thing. When we are moving from this side up to here, height is decreasing, and when we are moving from here to here, the height is increasing, and we are getting a simple graph for one simple function. Now basically what we have gone through, now let's check it now. Number 1, as we move, now let me just clarify statement in a proper way. Okay, that was just a explanation. Now as we move from left to right along the graph, the height of the graph decreases, or you can say height of the graph continuously decreases. Therefore, the function is said to be, therefore the function is said to be decreasing for the real number x is less than 0. Means from here negative of infinity to origin. Okay, especially for this graph. Okay. Now number 2. As we move from left to right, as we move from left to right along the graph, the height increases or we can write it graph the height along the graph, the height of the graph continuously increases. Therefore the function is said to be increasing. The function is said to be increasing for the real value or real number, for the real number x is greater than 0. These are the two things, okay, for the increasing and decreasing function. Now when we are going towards this side, height is coming down, and from origin to we are moving towards this side, the height is increasing. Okay, so this is basically some small introduction for the increasing and decreasing parts. Now we will be moving with some nice definitions, and after the definition I will just demo some graphical parts for increasing and decreasing functions.